All right, so we've got another video, a little different application of our Castine Blend Raised Bed mix. So I'm a market gardener and I have a whole series of permanent beds, and I do a lot of succession planting, which means that you do more than one crop in a row of a different type of plant. So you can see the lettuce over there. That's a Salanova lettuce variety by Johnny's, and I grow a lot of it. And so it's a quick crop, and I can plant something else right behind it. So the bed that we have in front of us was lettuce, and now we're getting it prepped to plant something else. So in between my permanent bed, which is the middle, are two mulched rows. And actually I use sheet mulching. I've got my stirrup hoe here, my handy tool. This cardboard is underneath the mulch that's on top. And I actually mulched this and have not had to weed it all season. So for those of you that are gardeners, like, that is just a fabulous thing. So I've weeded out the bed with my stirrup hoe, and I laid down a layer of Castine, and I'm not going to invert the soil. I'm only just putting a top dressing, like a couple inches on top. And you can kind of see right over here, I broad fork underneath, and all you do is just tilt that back. And that makes it so you don't invert the soil, but you aerate underneath, and then you top dress with Castine, and that is all you need to do. And then you can plant directly in that. So it's a great application. I use it all the time, and that's how I run the show. So Castine Blend Raised Bed mix, but doesn't necessarily have to be raised.